no! That poor cat is stuck up in that tree!
A kitty cat in trouble? Why, that looked like a job for me, Captain Cardboard. To the rescue! Here I go! I shall save you. Are you okay? All right. Now just don't ever do anything like that again, all right? Okay.
Hey, puppet fans, have you ever felt like you needed a hero? Well, today, using some cardboard and some other simple supplies, we're gonna make our very own cardboard superheroes. Let's get started. Here's what you're gonna need. Some cardboard, paper, preferably a few colors, a pair of scissors, and something sticky, like glue or tape. That's all we need. Start by cutting a shape out of cardboard to be your puppet's face. Mine's sort of a U shape with a curve on one side and a flat space on the other, but you can make yours anything you want, like a round face, or a square face, or even a triangle face. What's most important is that the face is at least as wide as 4 of your fingers. That way there'll be room for you to attach the part in the back that holds the puppet on your hand. Put on the parts of the face one at a time. Here's a mask. I made a purple one for this guy. A couple white circles for the eyes. Then the pupils. There's a lot of ways to make a nose. I made this one with a half circle of cardboard and 2 smaller half circles of black paper. I cut out a shape for the mouth. And for the ears, I made 2 more little half circles of cardboard, and I glued them to the back. For the hair, I start with a rectangle and cut a whole bunch of strips almost down to the end. Then, I glue it onto the back of my puppet. I think he needs a little bit of styling. And a trim. There, much better. Cut a thin rectangle of cardboard just about as wide as all 5 of your fingers put together. Then bend it a little bit to make it nice and flexy. Fold both the ends to make it into a horseshoe shape, just like this. There should be room in the middle for 2 of your fingers. Attach the piece to the back of your puppet. Check to make sure it fits nice and snugly. And trim off any excess that's poking out the sides. One last piece. You're almost there. Cut a big long triangle with the top clipped off, and then attach that to the very back of your puppet. And you're done. And that's it. That's all you've got to do to make your very own cardboard superhero. Until next time. Oh my, why does this keep happening? Don't worry, kitty. I'll save you.